Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. There's always room for. My name is Kim and today we're back in the kitchen for episode 3 of what the bleep to do with all of these Girl Scout cookies. And guys, I think I've got a problem. So it seems like my cookie collection just keeps growing. So this was my collection yesterday and I just got this box shipped today. So let's see what's in here. I forgot what I even ordered. Today's recipe is going to be using the Girl Scout Tagalongs, or they might be called peanut butter patties depending on your Girl Scout cookie dealer. I'm so excited about this recipe because we'll be dipping the cookies in pancake batter and deep frying them, so they might remind you of a special boardwalk treat. Let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. Here's a list of ingredients you'll need. Check out the description box for recipe measurement conversions. Start by preparing your pancake batter, using the measurements for about 6 to 10 pancakes. The one I'm using only needs water, but if you're using pancake mix that requires oil, butter, or eggs, be sure to prepare the batter according to the instructions on the box. Then set up your frying station. I like to use a small saucepan to fry these, so I don't need to fill up a pot with a bunch of oil. Clip on a candy thermometer if you have one, and aim to keep your oil between 350 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. If you don't have a candy thermometer, the oil is ready when you dip a wooden spoon in and the oil immediately bubbles around it. Take the frozen cookies and do your best to completely cover them with the pancake batter. Carefully place the batter-dipped cookies in the oil and fry until golden brown, turning the cookies as needed. As you can see here, if part of the cookie is not covered with batter, the chocolate starts to melt and the cookie falls apart and kind of explodes. The melted chocolate starts smoking and burning in the oil, and the oil becomes dark. I was able to get a few perfectly fried cookies this way, but it bothered me that some of them exploded, and after about 6 cookies, my oil was completely black. So I came up with a solution that I hope you'll find helpful. Place a spoonful of pancake batter in the bottom of cupcake liners. Partially submerge the cookies in the batter. Then, top the cookies off with more pancake batter, making sure that the cookies are completely covered in the pancake batter. Put these in the freezer until completely firm. In the meantime, preheat your oven to 375 degrees or get your air fryer ready. Once they're frozen, you can remove the cupcake liners and deep fry them in the oil. Because the batter is frozen solid around the cookie, the chocolate won't melt out, but the batter inside still needs to cook a little. Once you've fried all of your cookies until they're golden brown, place on a cookie sheet and bake for 8 minutes at 375 degrees, or place them in your air fryer and cook at 400 degrees for 5 minutes. This method of flash frying and finishing off in the oven or air fryer is not at all required, but it definitely helps prevent cookie and oil explosions. Dust powdered sugar on top of the cookies and be sure to enjoy while they're still warm. And that's a wrap on today's tutorial for my deep fried peanut butter patties. Thanks so much for tuning in and following along. My name is Kim, and don't forget, there's always room for dessert. I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Making it snow. Snowing sugar.